Well, welcome back everybody. I'm going to try to put the windshield in the tractor here today. We've got more snow. I've got to go out there and plow that, but I decided I wanted to put the windshield in, see if I can get that going. And if I have time, I'll put the windshield wiper on. Excuse the mess in the garage. I still have not put everything away from when I moved in here. I just don't have the storage. So this spring I'm going to build shelves and all the way around so I can get some of this stuff off my workbench and whatnot. I did have one guy comment on the last video that the unpacking video. He says, "I'm willing to bet you all that trash just stays right on the floor. Clean your garage for God's sake," he said. And I got a chuckle out of that. But it is what it is. My garage is a horrible mess. I can't find anything. Everything's in disarray. But we're making videos either way. So stick around. I'm going to try to get you guys the best shots I can with installing this windshield. So, all right. Step 1, remove the 4 bolts that secure the cab top to the frame. Lift the top up and slide it back on the frame. Okay, we will do that. One. How about that? No, what? Take those doors off so maybe you guys can see something, huh? Alright. I know it's not the best view, but it is the view. It is very nice to have a heated garage, I gotta tell you that. It's about 10 below outside today. The previous house I had, that garage had a radiant floor heat. And I never turned it on. I just left it off all the time. So you really couldn't heat the garage up fast. You either had to have it on all the time or not at all. So this is really nice. I've got a little monitor heater that allows me to crank up the heat when I'm in here and turn it down when I'm not. So that's pretty nice. And that's 4. Alright. So now we gotta move that thing. Move it back out of the way, I guess. Alright, there we go. let's see what the next step is. Remove the plastic windshield from the cab. Okay. Suppose we can do that. I think that's just Velcroed in there. Oh, it's tied off there. Let's turn it. And there it is. Plastic windshield, check. Lay that over here. Let's see what the next step is. Remove the two braces that go from the ends of the crossbar to the welded tabs on the top frame. So I imagine that's what this is. Yeah. Okay, let's see if it's the same size bolts. Let's hope so. That would make it super special. Oh, it is. All right. I think. Let's see what it says. Connect the hook and loop strip to the top of the front panel. What does that mean? Connect the hook and loop strip to the top of the front panel vinyl of the crossbar. Oh, I know what it is. Okay. Let me go to the other side here. Okay. Okay. Put that down there. Come to the other side. What was that? Something just fell off of there. I don't know what it was. Got that out there. All right. So now, connect the hook and loop strip to the top of the front leg. Okay. I did see that in the box over here. over the crossbar. Okay, I'm gonna have to put this, bolt that back in, I think. I think that's what we gotta do here. I think those stay in there. It doesn't say that, but if you don't, it's not gonna be very stable. I should have watched Biff's video. I know he did this on his BX. Alright, so that says connect the hook and loop strip to the top of the front panel vinyl, lay the strip over the crossbar. Okay, so that is going to be this, I think. And that goes like that. Boom. There we go. Alright. Connect, okay. Place the bottom edge of the windshield onto the strip that is laid over the crossbar. Push the windshield up against the frame. Pull the plastic top forward and down to hold the windshield in place. Pull. Oh, I see. Okay. Well, here we go. Let me make sure you guys got a view here. Oh yeah, there's a view. Let's move you a little closer maybe, huh? Yeah. I gotta figure out which way's which here. I think it goes that way. I think. Maybe. Or does it go this way? Oh yeah, that's the way it's gonna go, but I gotta get that up there. Like that. I see. This is almost a two-person job here. I see how that goes. There we go. Well, that's going to be pretty cool, ain't it? Look at that. All right. Replace the 4 bolts to hold the top in place. All right, we can do that too. So I'm not going to bore you with me putting in these 4 bolts. I'll catch you on the next step. All right. Well, there it is. Windshield is in. I know that was a quick little video, but I'm going to try to do a video for each portion of this. So that's step 1. That's the windshield. now I can go out and plow some snow. I won't have a wiper yet, but that's the way it is. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, click like, click subscribe, share it with your friends, and go to originalcab.com and tell them I sent you, and you guys can get this stuff for yourself. All right, until next time, see you later.